Officers respond to the bar trespass call. What starts as a routine removal escalates into a physical confrontation and a search that uncovers a controlled substance. Viewer advisory: this video contains footage of physical confrontation and an arrest.
Okay, well, we'll get it all figured out. Do me a favor, just step over here for me. Hey, do me a favor. Hey.
You were very aggressive,
What?
and he was very nice.
Okay, listen, what does your phone look like?
My phone is a black, fold
Alright. Have you already paid your tab? How are you going to call the phone?
I paid my tab. You can call my phone for me.
Okay, I'm not going to call your phone for you, but...
No, please be nice. Because when y'all lost your phone one time downtown, I bought the phone to a motherfucking police officer.
Okay.
And he dropped it.
Two things.
Please.
One,
I don't care, man.
One, I'm going to help you out. Two, you're just not going to tell me what you're going to be doing.
Please give me my phone.
I talked to cases.
Okay.
So they don't have your card because they don't keep cards.
He already paid his
God,
tab.
I asked for my phone.
Okay, then I'm just telling you.
I'm not.
Now
being,
you're yelling. I don't appreciate it.
No, stop. Because
You
I
stop
asked
yelling. Stop
listen,
yelling.
man, what the fuck?
Okay, have a good
Because
night.
I talked to them before I talked to you, and I asked, no, you with them, and I asked them for a simple question to hand me my phone.
The lead officer formally issues a trespass warning. Under Florida Statute Section 810.08, that warning, issued by an officer acting on behalf of the establishment, is legally sufficient. Refuse to leave after that, and probable cause for arrest is established. The subject responds with defiance. He does not move.
Never served him.
Okay, so when I find my phone and I track
You're
it,
gonna back up.
Play.
You're gonna back up.
When I find my phone and I track it and it's here, that's on y'all.
Okay, have a good night.
That's fine. You can try that in the morning. They don't have your phone.
They do.
They never even served you.
Use a fucking lie,
Okay,
because I
have a
got
good night. They don't have your phone. Good night. Goodbye.
Use a good lie and get the fuck out my face.
Not
Because
before you
I.
do. Have a good night. Yes.
Sir, ma'am, I just went in there and had a drink. So please go in there and
And now you're not back in there? They don't want you there?
No, they kicked me out of there because I fired up a black.
Okay, I'm telling you right now, they would not steal a phone. Okay, you went in there. Your tab is paid. What I recommend doing? Can you listen to how I would handle the situation?
So how can
Are
I
you
pay?
reasonable? Are you reasonable? You look like a reasonable guy.
I am very much so.
Me too.
But how
Listen.
can I pay a tab and I paid it off of my phone?
They probably don't have tap to pay in there. You probably have to use your credit card. Do you have a card on you?
I use tab.
Okay. They don't have your phone.
This is not making sense to me when
It's
I
not
use
making
tab.
sense to me. If the business tells me they don't have your phone,
But she
then you don't
doesn't
have
give a fuck.
Well, when you say it like that, it's not my problem to you. We're trying to help you. You're not being
Hey,
cordial.
find somebody else to play with that's not me. Because I got people in places.
How soon as you find someone else to play with
Hey,
us? Have a good
get
night.
the
You
fuck
put
out
your
my
hand in.
face.
Okay.
One more time.
I'm
Here's how this
trying
is
to
gonna
be
happen.
nice to you. Do what the fuck you gotta
No,
do.
you're not.
Because
Have a
it's
good
not
night.
me, it's them.
Have a good night. You're done.
I'm doing no good night when they got my
We're
card.
done here.
We're done. Have a good
They
night.
don't have.
Bye.
They don't have your card because
Do
you
not
paid with your
go
That's
phone.
the fuck they do.
You paid with your phone. That's what you just said.
Then go get my
Trespass
phone.
on here right now.
They don't have your phone.
Trespass.
Yeah, have a good night.
Okay,
If you
that's
come
fine.
back, you're gonna go to jail.
Okay.
Or you'll just go for trouble. I don't really
Trespass.
care.
That's fine. I don't either. You dumb bitch. Guys, give me all of her documentation, please. Thank you.
What's that?
Give me her documentation. Thank you.
Shut up.
No, it's no shut
Yes.
up. Give me the
You come back-
documentation.
hey,
Thank you.
You come back, you go to jail.
Give me the documentation. Thank you.
Yeah, like
Give me all of your information. So when I prove you're wrong, you can look like a fucking fool. Thank you. No, that's no good. Give me all of your documentation. I can go the fuck I got. I am a cleaned up listener. Give me your documentation. I can go the fuck I got. Give me your documentation. and I can-
35636.
Give me your no. I need your card and your name. No.
The subject demands the officer's card and information, badge numbers, documentation. While the First Amendment protects verbal challenges to police, it does not entitle anyone to delay an active enforcement action. His posture shifts forward. His gestures become aggressive. These are pre-attack indicators, and both officers are right to take notice. The subject makes a physical move toward the officers. Under GrahamVConnor, force is judged by what a reasonable officer knew at that moment, not in hindsight. The severity of the offense, the active threat, the resistance, All three support what follows. The takedown is controlled. The restraint is proportionate.
I asked a simple question. I asked for information. So me asking for information.
No, you snatching at officers and putting your hands on people.
I've never touched an officer. You lied.
Check his waistband for guns and stuff.
I've never touched an
Gonna
officer.
roll this way?
I've never touched that officer.
Just roll him over and get him up the list.
Call 440.
All I ask is a simple question for information. I asked for information.
Officer 619.
Ma'am, I asked for information.
I gave it to you.
No, you didn't. I asked for your card and your information.
Wow,
I asked for your card and your information.
there you go.
I'm not doing nothing wrong. I asked for card and information. So how did I y'all can drop me off home. I asked for card and information.
It'll be on the charging outside.
For card and information? Come on, man.
Check this out, man. Multiple times you were warned to stop approaching the officer, okay?
For card and
But she
information.
started getting the paperwork for you. behind
She
her,
didn't
okay?
do nothing.
So now you're going to jail.
Is your name Darius? Is your name Darius?
No, all that
Your
is
name
for card
Darius?
and information.
Is your name Darius?
All that is for card and
Is your
information.
name Darius?
I'm just asking.
Officers conduct a search incident to arrest. A Fourth Amendment exception affirmed in Chimel versus California. No warrant needed following a lawful arrest. The subject insists he was only asking about his phone. The footage disagrees. A trespass warning ignored. An officer assaulted. Resistance offered throughout. 3 separate criminal acts, independent of any conversation about a phone.
All I asked is for card and information.
I went to go get it, but you wouldn't stand there and listen.
Yes, I did. What are you talking about? All I asked is for card and information.
Let me finish, sorry, Jim.
Are you guys gonna film it?
Can you just hold that for a second?
Yeah.
I asked for card and information. Card and information. I'm not. What the fuck?
You need to relax, okay?
All I asked for is
Whatever
card
you
and-
have in your pockets, you need to relax, okay?
I don't have
All right,
nothing in
let's
my
stop playing
pockets.
games.
I got these shorts from my cousin. So what the fuck is y'all talking about?
Stop doing that.
I'm
hear
not
me?
doing nothing.
Stop doing that.
I'm
You're gonna
not
go back to the
doing
ground. You
anything.
understand?
It's going to be
There's
25-169,
There's coke right here.
183,
I don't have no
183.
cocaine in my pocket.
Thank you. Well, there's stuff on that side, that's why. Hey, just do it on this side, this side, this side. Well, here, there's stuff on that side. I got it. No, I got it, that's fine. I just put it on passenger usually, that's all.
All right, have a seat. Is there anything else on you that we can find?
No, man, I ain't
Okay.
did nothing wrong. All I
All right.
did was ask some
You
questions.
debate that with
about
the judge,
phone.
okay? Put your feet in.
My cell phone is in there.
Put your feet in.
My cell phone is in there. I have not done nothing, man.
The search turns up cocaine, approximately half a gram. Under Florida Statute Section 893.13, that is a third-degree felony carrying up to 5 years. A discovery that would never have happened, but for the arrest, the subject's own conduct made inevitable.
Yes, sir. Ask you about my cell phone.
Started. Have a seat. Watch your head.
4 charges filed. Assault on a law enforcement officer, no bond. Cocaine possession, $2,500. Resisting without violence, $1,000. Trespass, $500. The subject remains in custody. Further case details are unavailable at this time. Lead officer, B+. Patient, lawful, proportionate. The extended dialogue, though well-intentioned, allowed tension to build unnecessarily. Second officer, B-. Effective in execution, but her sharper tone undercut her partner's de-escalation effort. The subject, D. He had a legitimate grievance. The Fourth Amendment, however, does not give anyone the right to remain on private property after a lawful trespass warning. His remedy was civil: a complaint, a call, a claim. Instead, every decision after that warning added a charge. 4 counts, a felony, no bail, all from a dispute about a phone he never needed to stay for. The lessons from this encounter are straightforward. For the public, when a trespass warning is issued, comply first. Pursue the grievance through legal channels after. Staying to argue does not protect your rights, it removes them. For officers, extended de-escalation has value, but knowing when to transition cleanly to enforcement prevents the kind of prolonged tension that raises the risk for everyone. And for both sides, the camera records everything. What feels like a simple dispute about a phone becomes, on footage, a documented sequence of choices. Each one examined, each one consequential. Thank you for watching. Leave your thoughts in the comments and check out Code Blue Archives, extended for more police interaction and legal analysis.